Good morning, students. I welcome you all for commerce class. I think so. You all are doing good. We'll move on with the next part under chapter 18. That is, chapter 18 deals with what? The consumer grievance redressal mechanism. We saw already the three tier courts or quasi judiciary. Under that, the first one has been completed in the part 1. Now we are going to see about State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission or State Commission. This commission is appointed by the state government and registered by the state government in the consultation with the centers. It has the same function as state level. State Consumer Protection Council only is known as Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. Both goods and services are included with the council. A consumer is being protected against the defects, deficiency and unfair trade practices in this commission. Then we'll see about how many members are there in this state commission. The state commission consists of the following members. A person who is or has been a judge of High Court appointed by the state government as its president. Two other members who shall be persons of ability, integrity and standing and who have enough of adequate knowledge or experience about dealing with the problems relating to economics, law, commerce, industry, public welfare or administration, and one of them shall be a woman also. Next we'll move on with jurisdiction. What is meant by jurisdiction? It is the authority the state commission has. So the state commission can entertain complaints within the territory of entire state and where the value of the goods or services and the compensation, if any, claimed exceed rupees 20 lakhs and below rupees 1 crore, because if it is below 20 lakhs means it will be dealt with district forum and above 1 crore means it will be dealt with national commission. So next one is the state commission also has the jurisdiction to entertain appeals against the orders of any district forum within the state. That means suppose if the certain complaints is not dealt in the district forum, it can be taken to the state commission. Next we'll move on with powers of state commission. A state commission also has the power to call for the records, that is to bring the record and pass appropriate orders in any consumer dispute where a complaint is being pending for many days under the district forum within the state. Then it has the power to be examined by an officer of any other agencies, such books of accounts, documents or commodities as may be required, and to keep such documents and books under his custody alone. Next, the last power is to furnish such information, all the information gathered required for the purpose of the act to any officer in the specified state commission. Next we'll move on with appellate forum. Appellate forum means where the appeal can be made. So the state commission may reserve or confirm the orders passed by the district forum also. So then the person who is aggrieved by an order of the state commission may prefer an appeal to national commission also. That is, if that also is not solved by the state commission, he can go to the next step to the national commission within 30 days from the date of such order. Next we are going to move on with National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission or National Commission. A National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission in India is a quasi-judicial commission in India which was set up in the year 1988 under the Consumer Protection Act 1986. Hence, the head office is in New Delhi. The commission is headed by serving or retired judge of the Supreme Court of India. The National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, that is NCDRC, is also called as National Commission in short. Here, the disputes which are not solved in district forum or state commission is brought into the National Commission. Next, we'll move on with the members of National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. So, NCDRC has been constituted by a notification calling for its members, that is, should have at least 5 members. There we saw in state commission 3 members, but here in national commission they have 5 members. One should be from judiciary, and 4 other members of ability, knowledge and experience from any other fields. And that 4 members, one of them should be a woman. Next, we'll move on with powers of National Commission. Prior service of copies of documents produced by one party to the opposite parties. So, these copies of documents must be handed over to the National Commission. Then, speedy grant of copies of documents are issued by the National Commission. So, speedy recovery of that problem for remedy. Speedy solution will be given by the National Commission. Then, at last, generally overseeing the functioning of the State Commission and the District Forum to check whether the objects and purposes of the Consumer Protection Act are best served. What is meant by served? Are best given remedy without interfering with their quasi-judicial freedom. So students, according to section 21 of the Consumer Protection Act 1986 describes the National Commission should have certain jurisdiction, that is the complainant value must not be more than 1 crore, and also revise the orders of State Commission, and also they can call for records and pass appropriate orders from the State Commission and District Forum in order if suppose that appeal is not properly handled in those 2 commissions. Next, we'll move on with appellate forum. Any consumer dispute which is pending before or has been decided by any state commission where it appears to the National Commission that such state commission has exercised a jurisdiction not vested it in by law. That is, suppose a consumer dispute which is pending before in hand or has been decided by any state commission that it will be pending only, it cannot be solved. In such a case, it may take orders to the National Commission and make an appeal there, or if it has filed to exercise a jurisdiction to file to promote a law for it, such acted jurisdiction can be illegally if seen or with material irregularity, then under section 23 of the Consumer Protection Act 1986, it can provide that any person who is not satisfied by the order given by the National Commission, he can again prefer an appeal against such order also to the Supreme Court of India within a period of 30 days. Let us see the differences between District Forum, State Commission and National Commission students in order for your clear understanding. So, established by central government. So, District Forum is established by central government. Then, State Commission is established by state government and National Commission is also established by state government. Then, we'll see about members. How many members? So, in District Forum, President, 2 other members, 1 women. In State Commission, President must be there, 2 other members must be there and 1 woman must be there. In case of National Commission, President must be there, at least 4 members, out of which 1 woman will be there. Then term of office. So here how long it has to take place? 5 years up to the age of 65, whichever is earlier. So the officer must be age of 65. Is eligible for a reappointment also. Same way in State Commission, 5 years or up to the age of 67, whichever is earlier, then eligible for reappointment. Here term of office means 5 years or up to the age of 70, whichever is earlier. Not eligible for reappointment in case of National Commission. Next we'll move on with value and compensation. Next, under District Forum up to 20 lakhs. In State Commission the value up from 20 lakhs to 1 crore. And under National Commission the value is for filing a case, the defect must be occurred by the consumer from 1 crore and above. Next we'll move on with where they can file a case. That comes under the base of distinction appeals. Under District Forum within the district, under the State Commission against District Forum within state, and National Commission against State Commission. Next we'll move on with re-appeals if suppose it is not satisfied, where they can again reappeal the case. In case of district forum, if it is not satisfied, it can reappeal to the state government within 30 days from the date of orders by district forum. And the state commission, if it is not resolved, it can move on to the national commission within 30 days from the date of order by state commission. Then if it is not solved in national commission also, they can move to the Supreme Court within 30 days from the date of order by national commission. With this, we are completing this part, students. Thank you. We'll meet the next day, students. Until then, keep learning these differences. Thank you, students.